Respect is earned, loyalty is expected. When you question my faith, ask the cross on my necklace. Respect is earned, loyalty is expected. When you question my faith, ask the cross on my necklace. Might pull up at your work and have a word for talking shit. Your tongue is sharp enough to go and get your throat slit. Yeah, the last product hit the block harder than AIDS. Could take your soul about this world, it's what we call a twist of fate. Use the arm and hammer, stretch the slab. Walls of Jericho, mixed it in with mocha and switched up the scenario. Whitewashed and acetone, you know the product very potent. There's a fiend scratching his arm at this very moment. 2020 stash money in a tube sock. Bought some property, I still ain't copped a new watch. Neck full of crystals, ego larger than Lizzo. Get it in, wrap the package, ship it off like a missile. Let's go. Respect is earned, loyalty is expected. When you question my faith, ask the cross on my necklace. Respect is earned, loyalty is expected. When you question my faith, ask the cross on my necklace. God, I told you to make me stomp your ears together. I never let a pussy stop me from getting cheddar. Shout out my heathens, poking people for support. You want a real motherfucker, you came straight to the source. First time they heard me rhyme, I took the beat out they heart. 3 packs in orange line, I'll shoot that shit like a dart. Homie, I was born where it's dark, so I don't show no remorse. That's elementary park, slanging baggies on the courts. Let me show you how to hustle up to owning the house. Just listen, shut the fuck up and stop running your mouth. You know I'm every reason that you do what you do, but you don't wanna know how much destruction my pen could do. Only bitches get accustomed to living in fear. So if you want some goofy shit, then bitch don't come over here. Yeah, I've been about it, better stay on that side. Like Biggie said in 94, I'm ready to die, motherfucker.
But you know what, ese Holmes? JPL, he's not gonna be able to run away tonight, ese vato. Oh no! No, see, there's a steel cage around JBL Latino Heat tonight, ese. And it's do or die, Holmes. There's nothing but fear, anxiety, pain, and the WWE Championship, Holmes. There's nothing but that tonight in it for me tonight. Woo, can you understand? What a high, vato loco. Orale, what a high. Tonight, I am gonna get high. Tonight, I am gonna be the WWE champion. Viva mi raza!